Hi, Dr. Song here from Omni Aesthetics. Today, I want to talk to you a little bit about how we can use your own body's healing powers to rejuvenate your skin and help you look years younger without undergoing major surgery. Everybody is so excited about PRP, Platelet Rich Plasma. You hear it talked about in sports. They're using it to get athletes back into the game after an injury. And now we're using it in aesthetic medicine. We're using it to grow collagen. We're using it to grow hair. There are so many applications for PRP, but it's not really well understood. So in this session, I'm going to try to explain a little bit about how PRP works so that you can understand how we can use this to help you look better as well as feel better. In order to explain how PRP works, we must first understand how the body responds to an injury. The first response that your body makes to an injury is to send platelets to the area. We used to think that the only function of platelets was to stop the bleeding. Now we know that there is so much more. The platelets become activated, and then they stimulate the formation of a fibrin matrix, which does stop the bleeding. At the same time, something even more fascinating is happening. The platelets degranulate and release a whole host of growth factors with many different functions, one of which is to attract stem cells to the area. Stem cells are the building blocks of your body. They are the cells that can turn into any other cells, including bone, blood vessels, and skin. The new blood vessels formed in the area help nourish the new stem cells and help them divide and turn into even more new skin. If we create a series of controlled injuries like we would with microneedling, we could treat the whole surface of the skin and create a rejuvenating effect. And here you can see how a series of tiny little microneedle punctures can create a nice clearing up of the skin over time. We can exaggerate this effect by getting extra platelets from your own blood. We do this by taking a small sample of blood and using a centrifuge, we can take concentrated platelets out of the blood and use it to help the wound healing process. Here you see an illustration of the extra platelets being applied directly to the wound. And when we do this, we get an even more robust healing response with an exaggerated release of growth factors, 5 to 10 times more than would naturally occur. That means even more stem cells will be attracted to the area, exaggerating our body's amazing healing powers. By combining the PRP or platelet-rich plasma with a controlled injury such as microneedling or a laser resurfacing, we can create a much more robust and significant rejuvenation effect. We can take this process a step further by actually injecting the PRP under the skin, and when we combine it with dermal fillers, we can get some amazing results. The growth factors released by the platelets around the filler creates a robust collagen formation with an exaggerated response to the fillers, including improvement to the skin and a more enhanced filling effect. This allows us to create a very natural-looking volumization effect while using less fillers and capitalizing on your body's formation of its own collagen. Today we have only touched on some of the many applications of PRP. Another example of what we can do with PRP is using the platelets to help grow your hair. By injecting PRP into the scalp, we can help wake up the damaged hair follicles and reverse the thinning of hair that can occur with age. Soon you will be hearing a lot more about PRP and other amazing things that we can do with regenerative medicine. But these are some of the things that we are doing right now. Thank you for listening. This is Dr. William Song from Omni Aesthetics.